Changing the brake pads on the Shimano MT200 hydraulic brakes. It's not always low hydraulic fluid that leads to spongy brakes. Check your brake pads to see if they are worn and need to be replaced. You will need a 5mm hex wrench, a plastic tire removal tool, a set of needle nose pliers, and the new brake pads with cotter pin. Be careful not to touch the surface of the new brake pads. Remove the tire. Use the needle nose pliers to remove the cotter pin. This cotter pin holds the brake pads in place. Pinch the spring on the brake pads and slide them out. Use the plastic tire removal tool to push the piston head back in on both sides. You need to use a plastic tool to do this, as you don't want to scratch the caliper. Slide the new pads in, lining up where the cotter pin will go through the top. Push the cotter pin through the brake pads and secure in place. Reinstall the wheel. This replacement or installation of these pads is both good for the front and the back. After reinstalling the wheel, spin the wheel to see if the rotor is rubbing. To help center the rotor in the brake caliper, squeeze the brake lever while using a 5mm Allen key to loosen the brake caliper to the fork. Then tighten and let go of the lever. The adjustment should have helped center the rotor in the new brake pads you just installed. After this installation of the new pads, if your brakes are still spongy, you may need to bleed them or add brake fluid. Please like, subscribe, and follow along.